Welcome to this introductory tutorial on finding articles in the nursing database CINAHL Complete. CINAHL is one of the most comprehensive databases for scholarly nursing literature. New Jersey State employees and Thomas Edison State University staff and students can access this database remotely by using their New Jersey State Library Card barcode number. If you do not have a library card, you can apply for one by selecting Get a Library Card. Anyone may use this database on-site at the library. To locate CINAHL, first click on the Database List link under Catalog Searches and Tools on the library's homepage. On the next page, choose the letter C from the drop-down box. Once the page refreshes, scroll down to CINAHL and click on Go to Database. If you are trying to access this database remotely, you will be prompted to enter your barcode number. Once in CINAHL, select the Advanced Search option to take advantage of the extra features and limits. You will now see that there are 3 search boxes. You can add more if needed by clicking on the plus sign, or remove unwanted lines by clicking on the minus sign. If you click on the drop-down menu next to the search box, you can search within a specific field such as title or author. CINAHL is highly specialized and has many ways to limit your search. You can find limits underneath the search boxes, such as full text, publication date, publication type, and various patient characteristics such as age or gender. Keep in mind that not every article in CINAHL has the full text, so the full text limit can be very helpful if you have an immediate need for complete articles. However, by choosing the full text limit, you may miss some relevant articles. New Jersey State employees and TESU staff and students can obtain articles without the full text by requesting them through ILLiad, our interlibrary loan request system. If you do not have an ILLiad account, you can register for one at the following website or check out our tutorials on using ILLiad. For this example, I will look for articles about preventing whooping cough through vaccination. To ensure you are retrieving the most comprehensive set of results, it can help to think of synonyms for your search terms. For example, we may also want to make sure we find articles that mention pertussis, a synonym for whooping cough. I can add pertussis to my search by using the Boolean operator OR. Using Boolean operators like and OR gives your search power and flexibility. Type terms you want to OR together on one line. This will ensure that part of the search will be grouped together as a unit. I can also look for multiple forms of a word by adding an asterisk to the end of a root word. If I add an asterisk to the end of vaccine, the search will now look for all forms of the word, such as vaccine, vaccination, and vaccinate. I can now view my results, print articles, and save results to a folder for later retrieval. I can also choose to refine my results further with the options in the left-hand column. Clicking on the Show More link will give you the option to add any of the available limits into the search. For this example, I will adjust the publication date range to find the most recent articles. If the full text is available, you will see a link below the citation, such as linked full text or PDF full text. Click on the link to open a new window with the full text of the article. From here, you can download, print, email, or find citation formats for the article. If the full text of an article is not available in the database, New Jersey State employees and TESU students and staff may request the full text article in ILLiad. Please contact the New Jersey State Library Reference Department by phone or email if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.